Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let us get into the investigations part. See, if you're experiencing hair fall, how do you even know that if you're experiencing hair fall? When you comb your hair every day in the morning or at night, and if you see that, it is not when you're oiling your hair. When you oil your hair, you tend to have a little bit more amount of hair fall compared to the normal, when you're combing your normal hair. So when you're combing your hair normally without any oil, and if you find that and you count the number of strands that is more than 100 or 120, that means you are experiencing hair fall. So let us know what are the investigations that need to be done. For example, if you are suffering from hair fall and you're going to a doctor, the primary thing will be physical examination. So what do you mean by physical examination? There are certain tests that need to be done in order to know if you're having or experiencing hair fall. First, we'll see into the pictures and let you know what sort of investigations they are. See, this is called as the pull test. What do you mean by pull test? Here, the doctor is taking a section of the hair and then they are pulling it. When they are pulling it, if there is more than 10% of hair fall from that section, that means you are experiencing hair fall. So, this pull test they will be doing all over the scalp, and if you are experiencing 10% of hair fall, it comes under hair fall issue. The second test is called as the tug test. So what is tug test? Here they are taking a section of hair and they are placing the section of hair here and they'll start to pull from here. This is called as a tug test. If you are having visible, brittle and also thin hair, here in the tug test you will feel, or the doctor will see, that the hair, when they are starting to tug and pull it, it will come off. That is, the broken hair will come off. That means your hair is not healthy in nature. Apart from these two physical examination tests, we have other investigations which are also very important in monitoring your hair fall. First thing being the blood test. So why do you need a blood test for hair fall is that certain levels, like for example iron deficiency anemia, folate deficiency, or if you're having B12 deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, A deficiency, or hypervitaminosis of vitamin A can also lead into hair fall. So by doing the blood test, we will know if there is any underlying cause. Even in certain liver problems also, and also in kidney problems, you will be experiencing hair fall. To know all of this, we will be doing a blood test. And then the skin biopsy. The certain section of the skin or this on the scalp is taken and there will be viewed under the microscope. As you can see here, in skin biopsy, we will know in detail what is happening to the hair, and in light microscopy, see, as you can see, you'll be understanding the hair shaft and also what is the problem with the hair. Visibly, you can zoom in the microscope and understand where the problem is or what is the texture of the hair in detail. So these are some investigations you need to do if you're suffering from hair fall. If you're experiencing hair fall, women especially on the scalp region, and you're having some hormonal issues or any other issues, then if you want to contact us, you can do it through two processes. One is the online consultation. You can contact us through audio and video consultation. And if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. After the doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. If you need any more investigations, we will ask you to do it and share it with us. After all of this process, especially the online clients, we will be sending your medications to your doorstep. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you are staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you are experiencing hair fall and you would like to take a doctor consultation, you can call us through this number, ping us or WhatsApp us or message us on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check out our website www.fidicus.com. If you are experiencing hair fall and if you want to choose a certain cure for your hair fall, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Remember, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have 3 principles. First is we are dealing with patients with good success rate who are experiencing hair fall because of hormonal issues or because of allopathic medication side effects. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining it to you, the process, the prognosis and everything. And also the personal care. If you're having any sort of myths or if you're having any sort of, queries regarding your hair fall, we will be educating you on that as well. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you want to choose cure for your hair fall, or if you want to decrease your hair fall, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.